dinner time in my house. What am I making today? Paneer Makhani pasta. So I've got spaghetti boiling away, and we are just going to flip the camera and you can see what I've put in my sauce ingredients. The creamy element is the creme fraiche. We've got plenty of garlic, chilies, paneer. Onion is optional. I'm not putting onion in mine. And then get your masala dabba out, and next goes in 4 cloves of minced garlic. And now the paneer goes in. And the buttery element is this creme fraiche. 2 tablespoons will be going in. And we're going to put a tablespoon of water from the pasta. And finally, we take the spaghetti, which has been cooking for about 8 minutes, and drop it in to this. Finally, sprinkle some Italian